A quick demonstration of network location awareness triggers. So if we do get connection, network connection profile. So this believes that I'm connected to the domain authenticated, welshgeek.net, even though ZPA is off. And so if I do a, let's do a klist purge, klist get curb tgt. This will fail because it can't see the domain, it can't get any Kerberos tickets, nothing's happening. And so if we do a restart a net adapter, and what I'm going to let's do get net adapter. I've got two network adapters, obviously. The physical adapter, my Intel one, and the Zscaler virtual adapter, which is disconnected. So I can restart the physical adapter. Let's do this. Restart net adapter Ethernet 0. We get net connection profile. It's now detected I'm on the public network. Okay, so when ZPA is off, we want it on the public network, and the firewall locks down, and then it will never do any domain stuff. The same is also true if we come in here and we turn ZPA on. I'm authenticated to the network, get net connection profile. It still believes I'm on the public network. There's been no material network change. However, if I was to do that get TGT, it succeeds. So I can see the domain, but the Windows connection profile does not believe I can see the domain. And this is important for things like group policy. Will the machine go and get its group policy object? So we can obviously do that, restart net adapter. In this case, I've restarted the Ethernet adapter, not Ethernet 0, Ethernet. And so we get the net connection profile, and it's detected on Ethernet 0 that that we're on the domain. So Windows will reevaluate network location awareness when there is a material network change. Even though Ethernet is the virtual adapter, the Zscaler network adapter, and it's disconnected, it is a material network change. So we can come back in here, we can turn off ZPA, and now I can no longer see the domain again. Get net connection profile. It still believes I'm connected, so I'm still on the domain profile. And a lot of customers will have a less restrictive firewall policy because of the domain profile. And so if I run that restart adapter Ethernet again, get net connection profile, ooh, it shouldn't be detecting that I'm connected to the domain. So if I restart adapter Ethernet 0, it'll go back into that one. So it's odd. And so let's come back in here. We turn ZPA back on. I'm still on the public network. Let's restart Ethernet again, material network change. And it's identified me as being on the domain. And so let's try that again. make sure that my testing is right. Turn this adapter off. Still believes I'm connected on Ethernet 0. Restart Ethernet. But if I restart Ethernet 0, now obviously restarting Ethernet 0 means that I drop all of my wireless whilst it does that, or my physical adapt. But now it's identified as being on the public network. So we need to think about how do we trigger those material network changes. The material network changes, as far as Windows is concerned, is the adapter comes up and comes down. Things like the default route. So when a VPN is up and the route changes into the VPN, it's a material network change, and Windows will reevaluate these network location awareness profiles.